Mwingi West.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, for giving me this opportunity to contribute what my colleagues have already said. I begin by appreciating my friend Simon for coming up with this bill, although it's already existing, Madam Speaker. We all appreciate this mode of transport, and we know it is one of the ways of providing affordable mobility of services that is otherwise not available in many parts of our country, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, I will begin by appreciating this industry, which started a long time ago when President Kibaki was in power. And we all appreciate that it has employed many people, especially the youth, who have got no otherwise source of income, Madam Speaker. We appreciate the way the industry has really contributed in terms of transport and communication system in our country. Madam Speaker, I would like to alert the House that in my constituency, I have been training bodaboda operators, or rather drivers, through the NTSA and also the people who provide these services. And I've seen a lot of improvement. These people only actually violate the laws and regulations on the road safety when they lack information. But we know already we have the law in place. What we need is just for the enforcers to make sure implementation of the same is done. So Simon, my good friend, Honorable, was actually on the right course of doing this, and we'll be looking forward to collaborating with him to see what the bill is missing so that we can make those amendments and make it more practicable to all the road users in our country. With those few remarks, I say it's a good thing, and this system needs really regulations to restore sanity on the same. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you, Honorable Charles Ngusia. The Honorable